Joining two pipes at an angle requires precision. Start by setting your desired angle using a magnetic holder and mark the exact point where the pipes will meet.
Secure the pipe firmly in a vise. Use a strip of paper to transfer the angle of the existing cut further down the pipe, creating a clear guide for your initial reference cut. Secure the pipe firmly in a vise. Use a strip of paper to transfer the angle of the existing cut further down the pipe, creating a clear guide for your initial reference cut. Now, carefully use an angle grinder to make a straight cut along that line. This establishes the basic length and the starting angle of your joint. To create the saddle or fish mouth cut, wrap a fresh piece of paper around the pipe. Mark where it overlaps to get an exact measurement of the pipe's circumference. Unfold the paper and trace the base of the pipe. Use a ruler to find the center point and calculate the specific heights needed to create a curved geometric template. Draw the connecting curves between your marks to form the pattern. Fold the paper and carefully cut along the lines. This template ensures the pipe wraps perfectly around the vertical support. Slide your new template onto the pipe and secure it with a rubber band. Carefully trace the curve onto the metal, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your original angle cut. Slide your new template onto the pipe and secure it with a rubber band. Carefully trace the curve onto the metal, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your original angle cut. Slide your new template onto the pipe and secure it with a rubber band. Carefully trace the curve onto the metal, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your original angle cut. Welding a square tube to a round pipe can be a major challenge if the surfaces aren't prepared correctly. A common mistake is to simply tack the corners and try to fill the large gap left between the two shapes. As we can see here, attempting to bridge that void without preparation results in a messy, weak weld. The arc becomes unstable, leading to poor penetration and a high risk of structural failure. To achieve a professional result, proper preparation is essential. Start by grinding down any failed welds to get a clean surface to work with. Then carefully mark and grind the edge of the square tube to match the exact radius of the round pipe. This ensures a tight fit-up, eliminating the gap and providing a solid foundation for your weld bead to travel smoothly across the entire joint to travel smoothly. With a precise fit-up, the welding process is much more controlled. Maintain a consistent arc length and angle as you move along the seam. Notice how the puddle stays stable and the bead flows evenly between the two pieces. This tight connection allows the heat to penetrate deeply into both surfaces, creating a bond that is as strong as the metal itself. Taking the extra time to shape your pieces correctly makes the actual welding much easier. Once the weld is complete, chip away the slag and brush the area clean to reveal the final bead. The difference is clear: a uniform, well-fused joint with a clean, professional appearance. This technique ensures both the aesthetic quality and the structural integrity of your project. Remember, in professional welding, the quality of your finish is always determined by the quality of your preparation.